First we will make a circle with the help of bangle, or we can use any other object. Then we will draw one small circle with the help of coin. Draw like this. Now we will draw slanting lines with the help of scale. Take half centimeter distance between the lines and join these lines with the help of curve like this. Again add slanting line. This is like we have drawn X image. Similarly, we will draw many slanting lines in this way, and we will cover the circle with the lines. Now erase this circle line which is showing inside the slanting lines. After completing these steps, we will draw a stand of charkha. First draw 2 standing lines, then draw a sleeping line. Add half centimeter standing line on both the corners and again add a sleeping line. Again follow the same steps and complete the stand. Add small circles in charkha sticks. By following this circle, we will add more circle inside this. Connect a standing line and a slanting line, and our charkha is complete. Now we will add decoration, add a curve line and add small triangular shapes like this. Repeat the same pattern. Here we will draw the glasses of Gandhiji. So first we will draw 2 small circles like this. Add some curve lines like this to give it a shape of glasses. Now we will add some balloons as decoration both the side. Now complete the outline with the help of a sketch pen and erase the pencil marks. Now we will color this drawing. To color this drawing, I have used brush pens. You can use any color whatever you have, like pencil color, plastic crayons, oil pastels. I have colored this drawing just give an idea to you how you can color this. You can use your choice colors also. I have colored this drawing in tricolor. You can choose other colors also. And at the bottom I have drawn a flag shape with the help of brush pen and draw a Ashok Chakra in middle. So this is a complete drawing of Gandhi Jayanti. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.